Some bonus information I want to share with you. I was speaking about some time, that this time is the best for this activity, this time is the best for this activity. And to be more accurate, we have to understand that not the clock, not the time and the clock is affecting our body and our consciousness, but the exact position of the sun. There is another calculation, it's called sun time or solar time, solar clock, which is more accurate. It shows exactly the cosmic time, which exactly makes inflation to us. So if you want to be more accurate and more clear about which time is the best for your activities, please try to, I'm sharing the link, you can see what is exact time. Sometimes difference between our clock and solar time, sometimes it's 5 minutes, sometimes half an hour, and sometimes even 1.5 hours. And also on your phone, on your Android or Mac or Apple, you can find some apps. You just type something like solar time or solar clock, and you will find some applications to use and to know exact time. So, thank you.